When you first log into TaxDome, you are redirected to the Insights page. It gives you an overview of everything that's happening in your company. What are the jobs? In TaxDome, it's an individual service a client pays for. Here, you will see the pending jobs in your company, pending activities on your client side, and also pending tasks in your team. You can always filter those by team member or see across your entire organization. You have two menus everywhere in the web portal, the sidebar menu on the left and the menu at the top. The sidebar menu contains all the links to access features available in TaxDome. The menu at the top provides quick access to some shortcuts, a search bar, your account menu, and other useful links. Take your time to explore those, especially the help menu. You will use the sidebar menu a lot to navigate between the different parts of TaxDome. Let's start with the Clients section. Here you will find all the information related to the accounts you work with. Now, what's the difference between accounts and contacts? In TaxDome, an account is the main entity, like a business or a family, with all relevant details, while contacts are the individual people linked to that account, allowing multiple connections within a single client profile. Let's move on to workflows. Workflows in TaxDome is where you will streamline all of your work. It boosts efficiency by automating routine tasks and client communication, helping you complete things in less time. The main elements of the workflow are pipelines, jobs, and tasks. A pipeline is the whole process for a specific service. It consists of stages, the steps required to complete the business process, of course. A job is an individual service a client pays for. A task is a to-do item that you or your team members do to perform for a job. For example, a tax return service. You might set up a pipeline covering each stage from start to finish. Create a job of tax preparation for a specific client in this pipeline and assign specific tasks like request W-2 or review deductions to your team members. Another important feature is documents. Proper document management ensures transparency, reduces errors, and helps you meet regulatory requirements. Now, in today's digital world, it lets you process data faster and builds trust with your clients. TaxDome offers secure, unlimited storage, centralized file management, a client portal for document sharing and e-signatures, a PDF editor, a desktop assistant, and automated workflows for efficient document handling. Inbox Plus is a powered-up notification view. Here you can see all client and system-related events and react to them. Reporting is where you gain insights into your team's productivity and firm performance. It offers customizable analytics to enhance data-driven decision-making. Organizers are basically client intake forms or questionnaires. Our organizers are fully customizable and client-friendly. In the billing menu, you'll find pages for regular and recurring invoices, time entries, payments, and much more. The Templates menu in TaxDome is where you'll find all the ready-made structures that help you organize and manage your work efficiently. They save time and they keep everything structured. You can explore the template marketplace as well, where other TaxDome users share templates that they have created. It's also possible to adapt any template for your own use. And finally, the Settings menu is where you can set up your firm. Add your firm's contact information and social media links, upload your logo, customize the login page with a description and photo, manage your team, your integrations, and much more.